This video is going to tell you exactly what Spotify did and how it is going to impact you as an independent artist. Very simple. This is going to be straight to the facts, no frills. Number one, what did Spotify do? Spotify introduced penalties for bot streams. So therefore, if your song is being streamed on a playlist that is known as a bot playlist, that bots are streaming that playlist, then you are going to receive a penalty for that. First, your distributor is going to receive a penalty for that. And then if you are a multiple time offender, then you individually will receive a penalty for that. That is a financial penalty. They're going to charge you a fee. Okay. So that is the first one. Don't know what those fees actually are. They didn't publicly say how much those fees are. It might be different based on, how egregious your unethical bot streams were. The second thing is penalties for bad actors. So bad actors being anybody creating white noise, pink noise, whale sounds, ocean sounds, anything that when you lay your baby down to sleep that you put on in the background, those are considered bad actors by Spotify's standards. They want Spotify to be a music platform, not necessarily a white noise platform. While they're not banning that because it's not necessarily unethical, it's still audio that needs to be streamed. They are lowering the royalty percentage payout on those types of songs versus actually musical works. So basically, if you're an artist, you're actually going to get paid more because they're going to redistribute that money from the bad actors to the actual real musicians. So if you're creating actual music, your royalty percentage should go up after this change. And then number 3, this is the thing that's got most everybody fired up, is the 1,000 stream minimum for a payout. So this means that you need to get 1,000 streams in any one 12-month period to receive a payout for that song. And that's a equivalent of about $3. So basically, if you don't hit that $3 minimum, then you won't actually be able to withdraw your funds and enjoy your, black Starbucks coffee, if you can even get that for $3. So that is the only thing. This is similar to the white noise and ASMR people. It is being redistributed to the people who are actually getting over 1,000 streams. So a lot of people feel like it's the reverse Robin Hood, where they're stealing from the poor and giving to the rich. And really, it's just giving to the artists who are actually bringing value to the Spotify ecosystem by providing good enough music that it's getting streamed again and again. And Spotify is trying to build in incentives to get artists to promote their music on their platform specifically, so that if you have music on the platform, that you're going to, run ads or post on social media to get people from there over to Spotify to enjoy Spotify's ecosystem, not Instagrams or TikToks. Because if you're enjoying TikToks or Instagram's ecosystem, then they're serving you ads and earning money off of that versus Spotify serving you ads and earning money off of it. So it's just an all attention grab, right? Spotify wants more attention and everybody else wants more attention so they can sell them more ads. Okay, that's really at the end of the day, that's what Spotify is trying to do. And the 1,000 stream minimum threshold is not only benefiting artists who rely on Spotify for income to live and eat, but it's also encouraging artists to actually take their music seriously and get their audience over to the Spotify platform versus Instagram or TikTok or wherever else their audience may exist. Or actually just build an audience for your music so you can get 1,000 stream threshold. I know that this is controversial, but 1,000 streams is really not that much. And also, do you really care if somebody steals $2 from you? And if you get over that 1,000 stream threshold within those 12 months, you still get your payout. So I'm not sure what the big deal is personally, but I know that I am, on one end of the spectrum where a lot of people do disagree with me. So go ahead and leave your comments down below. What did I miss? What do you think these changes hold for independent artists? And I would love to hear your thoughts down below. In addition, if you want to just blow past that 1,000 stream threshold because you actually have really great music that is basically guaranteed to get past that 1,000 stream threshold if you tell anybody about your music, I've created a free guide on how I got over 30,000 streams within 3 weeks of my very first release. This is a new artist project that had 0 traction, and then I was able to get over 30,000 streams, over 25,000 monthly listeners within just 3 weeks of the release. So if you want to check that out, there will be a link in the description so you can go ahead and get that. Okay, with that said, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.